Hello guys, today I am going to show you an IoT lab experiment that is building IoT solutions using Raspberry Pi simulator and Azure IoT Hub. It's actually connect Raspberry Pi online simulator to Azure IoT Hub. For this purpose, first we need to start Raspberry Pi simulator. I already started this. Next is I need to log in my Microsoft Azure account. For this purpose, you need to sign up for a free Microsoft Azure account and then you need to log in. For this purpose, now I am logging my Microsoft Azure account and here I need to go home and I need to create an IoT Hub and new. I need to press new and here subscription will be Azure subscription one and resource group is existing resource group. I created it earlier, Devi resource group and my IoT Hub name. Now I am using name for my IoT Hub. I am creating a new IoT Hub and name is Rani IoT Hub. And here we need to check networking. Here connectivity method I selected by default it's public endpoint all networks and management pricing and scale tier S1 standard tier good and other thing will be default and tag. No need to change anything here and review and create US it's okay and okay I am now creating IoT. It takes some time. You see here on the screen the deployment is in progress. Don't worry at all, it takes some time. And the overview of this lab experiment, you will learn the basics of working with the Raspberry Pi online simulator. You then learn how to seamlessly connect the Pi simulator to the cloud by using Azure IoT Hub. This is Azure IoT Hub. I created this one. You can see here a ID and I'm waiting for the completion of deployment. And the summary of this lab experiment is how to use the Raspberry Pi online simulator to connect to Azure IoT Hub. It's for connection purpose and you will also learn how to register your simulated Raspberry Pi as an IoT device in your IoT Hub and run a sample application on your Raspberry Pi to send simulated sensor data to your IoT Hub. I'm waiting for the deployment. It takes some time. Status created. You can see here on IoT Hub. Deployment succeeded. You can see here a tick mark in a green circle. Your deployment is complete. Now go to resource and then you see here this logo running IoT Hub and we need to go IoT devices. You can see here IoT devices. I am clicking on IoT devices and I need to click on new, and here device ID. I am giving a name, um, my device ID. My device ID authentication type will be symmetric key, primary key, secondary key, auto generate keys, and connect this device to an IoT hub. Enable. Okay, I will save it. I will save it. Yeah, you see status enable. Now you need to click on this. My device ID. You can see here device ID is my device ID, primary key. You can see it this way. And secondary key, clicking on I, and primary connection string. This is required for our experiment. And here I am using, there have copy option. This is copy. I copied this one because we need it, primary connection string. I will use it here. My mouse pointer is here. Now I am copied primary string and connection string. I will give it here. Okay, then you can see what is host name Rani IoT Hub that we created. Other thing will be similar. And now you need to click on run. See, it's working. It's connected successfully. That's why you can see here in this area it's light is on off like this, and you can see here message sent to Azure IoT Hub. That means it's connected, sending message ID 11, device ID Raspberry Pi web client, temperature, and here see 29, the changing 24, 22, 20, yeah, message ID is also changing 19, 20 this way. That means it's connected. You can read the message received by our hub. Yeah, we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video.